And welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, they say this life, everybody get with it, the chopper for his body. Why Juju Ekwe into they find you like those to go spend Christmas? You like those get one when he the chopper they go. Everybody with your problem. Now I make them make parables, everybody answer your papa name. Wonder shall never end, my people. Yul Edochie have cried out to a friend, an old family friend. I don't want to call the person name. This family friend was a friend that was their family, a close family friend between Yul Edochie and May Edochie. When Yul Edochie and May Edochie were still married, this their family friend was very close to them. So because of the way things they go, the person decided to just remove himself. The person is still communicating with May Edochie fluently, but with Yul Edochie not that much because all of them know where the faults from come. You know, even if we try to explain, we cannot explain it like people that really stayed with them, people that know them very well. So this is one of the person that know them very well. And they believe that the faults came from Yul Edochie. And they expected Yul Edochie to do a proper apology to his wife. But instead, Yul Edochie wanted to eat egusi and ogbolo at the same time. So, those people, they decided to withdraw themselves from Yul Edochie. Not just one, not just two. A lot of them have withdrawn themselves from Yul Edochie. Ever since the breakup with May Edochie, if you watch Yul Edochie, you see no get friends like before. So, Yul Edochie reached out to one of their family friend. He reached out to their family friend and he begged him that he wants to talk with him. This person told Yul Edochie, say, he no fit see Yul Edochie. If Yul Edochie get with him, want to be talking through phone. There is no way he can see Yul Edochie, he's too busy. Not that this person is busy, they don't just want to see him. Because Yul Edochie overdo. You know, this is somebody they look up to, like, this is somebody they believed was a matured, responsible man. Until Yul Edochie started to display for social media. It shocked everybody. Oh. You see that display where Juju Ekwe is to carry Yul Edochie till they do for social media. That's in for Yul Edochie, eh? He fought this man where a lot of people were shocked for that Yul Edochie character. So Yul Edochie reached out to this friend, this their ex-family friend, and he told him that please, he want to beg him something. He knows say this their family friend and May Edochie still they talk. He knows say this their family friend still get contact with May Edochie, but he just want to beg for something. What he want to beg for is not about May Edochie, but rather it's about his daughter, Daniela. Now here Yul Edochie for open up waiting shock or so. Edochie told their family friend that he should beg Daniela for him. He should help him to beg Daniela. He need the forgiveness of Daniela. He say everywhere when he don't go, every pastor, every man of God, anywhere when he go, anybody, pastor, prophet, anybody at all, when he meets, they always tell him, go and beg your daughter. Not his wife, go and beg your daughter. Go and settle with your daughter. Before you even ask for prayer, anything, go and beg your daughter. Go and settle with your daughter. He said this thing they have been telling him in many places. He said, but he keep on ignoring them. So he begged this person, say, make this person a beg. Make he beg Daniela. He should help him to beg Daniela. He wants reconciliation with his daughter. He wants he and his daughter to settle every differences they have. He wants he and Daniela make them sit down together May they talk like father and a daughter. Now the person tell Yul Edochie say, sorry, I cannot help you. You see this one where you ask for so? He no fit help you, go too hard. The person told Yul Edochie, this their family friend told Yul Edochie, say, Yul Edochie, you too do. You too do. Have you forgotten what you did to Daniela? Have you forgotten what you did to this family? Who is going to forgive you? Daniela, maybe Zin na go forgive you because he don't know what they happened that time. Till now, I never even see, he know, but he no fit understand. Never experience anything. But you see the Daniela and Kai, there is no explanation that you can give to those people. Yul Edochie beg this friend may beg Daniela. He said that thing where Daniela tell her make him do, he don't do it. So he said that thing where Daniela tell her make him do, he said he don't do it. The person was confused and said, what is it? Yul Edochie said Daniela reached out to him long time ago. Daniela told him that, Daddy, I know that you and my mommy are no longer together. I know that both of you are in war with each other. But we are still your children. No matter what happens, you still remain our father. He said Daniela told him, I want to beg you something. Daddy, you see this social media. You can post whatsoever you like. You can write whatsoever you like. But there are certain things that you are posting right now. There are certain things you're writing right now. It's affecting them. It's affecting her. It's affecting Kai. It's even affecting Zane. Because he's being mocked at school. He said Daniela beg him. He said Daniela tell him, say, Papa, please. Daddy, please. Daddy, please stop posting all these things. All this shameful posting. Stop it. You are disgracing us. You're not the first person you are not the first person to get a woman pregnant and decide to be with a woman. A lot of men do it. But do your own with respect. You're disrespecting them. Stop the posting. He said that was what Daniela told him. He said Daniela was even begging him, Papa, stop. It's affecting them mentally. He said that's a coin here. They contact Daniela, so okay. He will delete some video. So Yul Edochie said when he got home, he said he can't carry phone. He can't say he won't delete some video. Say Juju Eko is say which video? Say they tell and say some video with Daniela say no like. Say Juju Eko is on the chat for head. Say, small Daniela controlling you. Hey, small Daniela, your own daughter, controlling you. That means your own is finished though. That means your own is finished. You allow your daughter to tell you what to do. You are the one that is supposed to tell her what to do. By the time you allow her start telling you what to do, your own is finished. The next thing they will tell you to go and even jump from the river. Jump in the river and you will jump. They don't take advice from children. You are the one that is supposed to advise him. Say Juju Eko is going to tell her. Say Juju Eko is going to tell her. May not delete her. Make it tell Daniela. Make Daniela adjust to the system. By anything where you post, make Daniela they put like. Make Daniela repost them. Those haters will close their mouths. I tell you like Edochie say, you like Edochie, don't ever try it. Delete something. Your daughter tell you something. So me you delete, you want to delete. Tell her is either she supports you or she supports her mother. Make she choose. Say because they tell her say she is just trying to bring you down. Why didn't she tell her mother to stop posting some things? She wants you to stop posting, but the mother will be posting. Say Corey take and I say, but I say Juju Eko is so right too. He says so he not delete any of those videos. and they continue doing the video. He and Juju Ekwensu. He says, so Daniela constantly call her another. They could tell her, say, Papa, you told me you're going to stop this thing. He said, constantly post another one again. When you and Juju Ekwensu, they dance, they hotel. They come, they dance, they come post the video when they were talking. He said, Daniela come call her. He said, so he said that video was also a kind of video that it was really mocked on social media. People really drag him. He said, but during that time when they are dragging him with their comments, he was making money on top and he never cared. He said, so Daniela called him again and said, Papa, you told me you're going to delete and stop acting funny on social media, but you refuse to stop. You don't continue again. He said, I can't shout for Daniela. So be you, small rat. You won't tell her what you won't do. Now you won't tell her what you won't do. All the video where they post, you don't ever like them. What about you reposting it and put shame in the face of those of the haters? He said, no, be small, so you call the shout for Daniela. So Daniela not your answer. Now Daniela come tell her, say, Papa, do what you like. It's your life. He only explain, give you, say, this thing where you they do, they hurt them. They hurt them for school. They hurt their private life. And it's hurting them mentally. But since you say you want to continue, continue. He said, so that was how he continued that character on social media. He said, not until things come dey wave am. He said, when things dey wave am, he said, no be small shaking they get all. He said, things shake them. Not be small. He said they were going through a lot. So during that period, he was going to different churches, different places to pray. He said they'll be telling you, go and beg your daughter. Go and beg your daughter. Go and beg your daughter. So Yul Edochie said, after he they go different places, they could tell and say, he should go and beg his first daughter. He should go and beg his first daughter. So he decided to obey Daniela at this point. Everything where Daniela say the versa, where cause their quarrel, where make two of them follow each other, where make two of them block each other. It was because Daniela never wanted him to be posting some certain things on social media. Daniela don't want him to be disgracing himself on social media. Yul Edochie said his daughter called him. He said we never forget that day. He said his daughter, the advice where his daughter give him. He said now, he said that reason, he said the daughter was really right. He said the daughter told him, Papa, you are a celebrity. A lot of people are looking up to you. A lot of people see everything you do. So be very careful on what you post on social media. Anything that enter into social media, it is forever. They will use it to drag you. They will say things about you. Why don't you go silent? Why don't you be quiet just like my mother? Post only your work. Post only your achievements. Post only your endorsements. Let your life be private. Let whatsoever that comes in your life right now, let it be private. You are all over the social media. People are talking about you. They are not talking about you for good. They all see you as a bad person. You can rebuild yourself. You can rebrand yourself. You can let people know that you are not what they think you are. You can still convince people to let them know that what you did is a mistake. You're already there. You can't turn back the hands of the clock. But peace can still reign. Everybody can still live in peace. Stop posting, mocking. Your posting look like mocking. Look like causing more traffic of problem. Not only to us, Papa, it will also affect you because you are also a celebrity. Yul Edochie said, because of what Juju Ekwensu told him, say your daughter is controlling you. You want to allow your daughter to control you. So he said he did not concentrate on all these words where Daniela tell her. Now the way Juju Ekwensu tell her, now he can dey act on. Say now I tell Daniela, say shut up. Say you want to start controlling like your mother, like daughter. That is your mother that sent you to come and tell him so that he go close his mouth. He not go dey talk again, not go dey post. They want to shut him up. Because according to Yul Edochie, say na Juju Ekwensu tell him all those words when he tell Daniela. So when Yul Edochie hand all the meet am, he say he go different places. Say even his father. Say they tell them that he should go and beg his daughter, Daniela. He should go and beg his daughter. He say now from that time when they try to talk to Daniela, Daniela no dey give her listening ears anymore. So he decided to do what Daniela advised him to do. According to Yul Edochie, he said wetin they do is not rebranding. He said a lot of people think it's rebranding, he want to change. He said no. He said what he's doing it because of his daughter. He said everybody that knows him knows that Daniela was everything to him. Like Daniela was his life. He said he loved Daniela so much that he can do anything for Daniela. But he don't know what happened. He don't know what happened between him and the daughter. Everything torn apart. So, when he begged Daniela, Daniela refused to give him a listening ear. He decided to do that thing when Daniela tell him make he do. My people, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. If you're watching my video and you've not subscribed, subscription is free. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also thumbs up for my video. God bless you. So Yul Edochie said during this period where everything gets as a be so, he decided to take to the advice of Daniela by really cutting off everything from the social media, posting only his work, posting his endorsement, posting his achievements, posting good things about him on social media, and remove all the negative things from social media. Yul Edochie said he's not rebranding, neither is he trying to create anything. He just decided to follow the footstep which the daughter advised him long time ago. So Yul Edochie said he did this thing and he was waiting for Daniela to say, wow, Papa, that's the advice when I give you then. You really follow the advice. So he thought that Daniela will notice it and Daniela will come and say, Papa, you really obeyed, you really did what I asked you to do. But Yul Edochie said, but ever since he decided to follow the advice of Daniela, he said Daniela never give him listening ear. Daniela has never even talked to him. Daniela is not even noticing him. Daniela is not even checking on his social media page at all. So, Yul Edochie said, ever since he decided to follow the footsteps of Daniela, he said Daniela never even noticed her. Daniela have not said anything. And according to him, he needs Daniela. So he begged their family friend, very close to me, Edochie. Yul Edochie begged this family friend to beg Daniela for him. To beg Daniela. He said they say without Daniela not forgive her. Say things not go ever go well for him. That he need the forgiveness of Daniela. So he has to beg this friend though. May they beg Daniela for her. Now the person tell her say, Yul Edochie, since then you never talk this word. Is it because you hear say these children go obodo oyibo? Now you define settlement with the Daniela? Yul Edochie said no. That everything that he's doing now, it was Daniela that told him. People are thinking that it's other people or maybe somebody advised him. He said no. He said, na his daughter, na he tell her years back, say, Papa, do this thing. Make Daniela forgive her. Anything when he do me forgive her. Let them come back as one. Make Daniela forgive her. He want to be a father, a good father. And he's trying to prove it to Daniela. He said the reason why he make an the verse of Juju Ekwensu. He said a lot of time when he go receive good advice. He said imagine this one with Daniela tell her. I wish him follow Daniela at that time. By this time, if for no fall, which we 4 put. So take people will be saying help. Now he call it beg me the help him. He said no. He said if condition for not reach like this. Wonder shall never end, oh my people. So Yul Edochie right now is begging that they should please beg Daniela. He needs settlements. He wants to settle with his first daughter. They said his happiness lies in the hands of his first daughter. This first daughter need to forgive him. Need to have mercy on him before God will even have mercy on him. Wonder shall never end. What do you guys think, my lovely fans? Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.